Hey, I'm Ryan with Warner Discovers, and today we're going to look at the InWin RF100S case that they make. I was looking for a server rack case to replace my server case that I already have, which is more of a cube, as you'll see here. And I wanted to put it into a network rack because I have a network rack kind of similar to this, but it's a shorter depth network rack, so you can really only work with about 12, 13 inches at most. You can get extenders and things like that, but the normal depth for a server CPU case is usually further than I'd like. So InWin makes this 9.8 inch depth mini-itx server case. So let's see what's in the box. So the box I got was a little sketchy looking. Looks like they reused the box. See, we have the case here. We got some film on the top and bottom. Ears are already pre-installed. I honestly would be curious if this was a return or something. I noticed the sides of the metal are a little discolored a little bit. That might be how it comes. You know, who knows? So you can see we have the case right here. We have US 3.0 slots in the front, which a lot of one-use server cases don't seem to have. So this is one of the few. If I turn it around, you can see the back. So we have the slot for the motherboard and a screw to undo the top. And it also, this one in particular that I ordered from Amazon was the 265 watt PSU. So it comes with this size PSU. This can fit, I think, with any other Flex ATX PSU, but you got plug in the back. So I undid the screw in the back here, slid off the top, and now we can easily see inside. We do have some things taped down. We have some dehumidification packet. So maybe it is brand new, maybe the metal, this is just kind of how the finish is. It's not, you know, perfect, kind of, might just be a metal finish, but you know, whatever. But really compact in here. You can see how it comes with the power cable, the power supply cables, the front I/O cables, the fan setup here. It comes with two 40 by 28 millimeter fans. You can install up to 3. I've heard that these are louder, so I might replace these. You can see the flat black portion where you install your mini-itx Mobo, black portion so it doesn't short out with the metal contacts. And what's really nice about this case with the hard drive storage, unlike a few other 1U cases that I've seen, is that you can actually fit two 3.5 inch hard drives as well as two 2.5 inch hard drives. Another huge bonus with this case that I really like is you can actually rotate the configuration of this case around. So instead of having your mini-itx I/O board here, you can actually change it around to the front. I'm pretty sure you have to change the configuration for the internals, but the option is there. I'm going to be looking to do that because when I have it in the case, it would be nice to connect Ethernet right up to the switch. So I'm looking forward to converting this over to this case. Some other things to note, you can also swap the front rack ears to the back. Like I said, you can swap the internals around so you can have the I/O in the front. If you are considering moving a desktop mini-itx Mobo, the back probably won't fit due to the size of the case. I noticed somebody else in the Amazon reviews pointed that out. I think that the I/O slot is more for server mini-itx sizes, unfortunately, so you might have to get creative there. And also just a combination of looking at the other 1U server cases and this one I got for approximately 150 bucks, and it came with the power supply. A lot of the other ones I was looking at for something similar was kind of looking into the 200s range. So for the ability to change the internals a lot, maximum hard drive flexibility, and coming with a power supply, I think this is a really great deal. Let me know if you have any questions. Hopefully this is a good overview for anybody looking for more information on this, and I will probably be doing a video about converting my desktop mini-itx over to this and see how it goes. Thanks for watching and hope this helps.